Now, our job as parents is to embarrass the hell out of her. So what do we have here, babe? What happened? Staying warm. Their outdoor wood boiler. So I'm doing a little work here on the bus and I have a problem. Basically, my headlights won't shut off. So right now I have the batteries hooked up, and unless I disconnect the batteries themselves, I can't get these headlights to turn off. So I went through a multitude of steps. First thing I did was bought a new headlight switch. Put this in, worked exactly the same. Disconnected the switch completely. It's still doing the same thing. Now these are known for getting a little hot and melting some stuff. I pulled this connector out of there to make sure that wasn't the issue. I checked the ignition switch to make sure that wasn't an issue. Some of these have a switch off the back of the parking brake. That wasn't the issue. I ran through all of these relays, disconnected every one, and the lights still stayed on. So that wasn't the issue. I think it's down here. Now, if I dig in here a little bit, I think our problem is this guy right here. This daytime running light module most likely is corroded, shorted out, or an issue. So let's try disconnecting this and see if that solves the problem. Okay, ugh. So when I disconnect that, we have a good glob of corrosion in there. We don't even need daytime running lights, to tell you the truth. But let's see if this is still on now. Please tell me that was it. Please tell me that was it. Gets old turning your battery on and off. Okay. So now our headlights are off. So with that said, let's put our headlight switch back on and turn our headlights on and see if they actually do something. This might have to be grounded. Let me put this switch back in place so it all is ready to work. Okay, well, we're gonna test this. First we'll try it. And it's showing lights are on there. They come on without actually having to have the bus on. That's on. No headlight here. There it is. So that's still on. All right. So that works. And then if I shut that off, everything's good. The headlights are doing what they're supposed to. So that's the problem. So there you go. This is a 98 International 3800. It's common for that era of buses to have this. Actually, this is probably one of the earliest buses that's going to have the daytime running lights. But that's going to be the issue of why your lights won't turn off. Now, if you don't get your lights to turn off, you have to disconnect the battery or you'll end up burning down your bus. You'll have your headlights on too long, and you can see it already melted the connector there. It melted both connectors on the lights themselves. Let me show you that. I mean, these things get hot enough to really do some damage. So if your lights are staying on, you have to fix that right away. But that was the issue. Now I can put that back together. That solved that. So if you get anything out of that video, make sure you check out all our other ones and how we built this bus and follow along, like and subscribe.